Hi everyone, my name is Dalton, otherwise known as the instructor. Today I will show you how to do damage tread and sidewall of tire. Here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is to go and chop my wheel. Okay, I'm chucking my wheel. I'm going to chuck the other one. Okay, my wheels are chucked, safe and secure. I'm going to go and open the hood. Okay, open the door. This is the lever to open the hood. I put it forward. Here we go. Then I'm going to go to this side and I'm going to open the hood. Okay, my hood is open, safe and secure. Then I'm going to put my gloves on. Here we go. Putting on my gloves. Then I will be checking the sidewall of the tire. Here we go. The sidewall of my tire has no crack, no damage, no exposed cords, safe and secure. Around the rim, which is here, there's no leak, safe and secure. The valve, no leak, safe and secure. Checking the tire tread depth. My tire tread depth, safe and secure, looking more than 3 millimeters. On the inside of the tire, no crack, no damage, no exposed cords, safe and secure. The tire is not touching any vehicle components, safe and secure. My pressure is good. This is how I check damage tread and sidewall of tire. Please like, share, subscribe. See you soon.